Hey, hey, what's up, YouTubers? I have a 2001 Chevy Cavalier, 2.2 liter, and the blower motor's not working. It's not getting any hot air or cold air. It just won't blow. So, first thing you want to do in this situation, check the fuse. Check the fuse. Always go for the simple stuff first. On this 2001 Chevy Cavalier, fuse box is right here, and blower motor. Let's see. Oh. Got a heater, HVAC, VCM. It's probably the one up under the hood. Heater. Check this one right here. HTR, the heater one. And then there's which is gonna be right down here. Check that fuse. And then check the blower motor one, which is gonna be up under the hood of this vehicle. Put this back. And the blower motor one is gonna be up under here. Yeah. Let's see where she's at. Cooling, heater, blower. That's a relay right here. Can you see that? Let's see what it says right there. Heater, blower. Check that relay right there. Make sure that's working. But anyways, I'm pretty sure it's the blower because what I can do is turn this key to the on position. 1, 2, lights come on. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn it on. Nothing's happening. But if I come down here, you hear it? It's spinning. So it's trying to start up, and actually, before when I was hitting that blower motor, it was running for a little while. It would run for a while, and then it cut off. Now it's like completely dead. So anyway, that was the blower motor. And that's it right there. It's on the passenger side, right up under here. There's a connector for it. You got 3. Let's see what kind of bolts these are. Let me set you up right there. It's a little too big. Alright, looks like they're gonna be, let's see, 5.5 millimeters. So you got some 5.5 millimeters size bolts, and you got 3 fasteners. You got one right back here, one right here in the front, and one right back here also. So there's 3 of them. So I'm gonna take them out right fast. There goes number 2. And you got last one right here. Right, there's your blower motor right there. Now what I'm gonna do, check this out. Alright, move all this stuff out the way. It don't hurt nobody, it don't hurt nothing. Let's turn this key to the on position. 1, 2. And I got it on already. See, it's the I got it on. It is on. And it's not doing nothing, but whoa! See that there? Cut it off. Move it. Cut it off. See, I just hit it one time and it came on. There you go. But anyway, it's my baby mama's car. She said she gotta keep hitting it for it to work. And now she says she's hitting it and it ain't working. So this thing's pretty much bad. It's gone. Anyway, let me unplug this electrical connector right here. And as you saw, it wasn't coming on earlier. And actually, this has been a problem for a while. Like she's known about it. She just didn't want to spend the money for the part. And now it's cold outside. She done broke down and said I got to have it. So there it is. Yeah, let's take this out. I got this one right here from the Chevy dealership, but yeah, I get a little discount and stuff. It might be like $60 or something like that for this part. 60, 70, 50. I only paid 38 bucks for this one from CarQuest. See, it looks a little bit different. It's about the same though. So what you gonna do? You might have to transfer some parts. Let me see what I got on this old one. Let's see here. What is the same and what is different? Alright. Let's see. I know. Let's see on the back of them. Let's take this off. Stick this gasket down in here. Let's see. Just put this up here. Like that. Alright, we'll just go ahead and put this new one in. Before we do though, what I'm gonna do, hook it up, test it out one time. Now, had you have not checked that fuse or relay, then come out here, said, let's go ahead and it's not working, I'm just go ahead and replace it. And you get out here and you replace it, and it doesn't work. Then you just, like, damn, well, what is it? And then you're like, oh, let me check the relay. And you change the relay and it works. And you be like, damn, I done took the blower motor out and put a new one in, and I didn't even have to do that. All I had to do was replace the relay. So anyway, we'll check the little stuff first. Might save you some time. Let's turn this thing on, see if it works. There you go. Let me hit it one more time. Turn this. Oh yeah. All right. So I know this thing works, and real good. And I ain't got to smack it or beat it up or keep hitting it. Usually it'll just get, after a while, it just gets worn out. There's and also clean any kind of debris that you have up here. Just stick your hand up in there in that hole, and you never know what you're gonna find. It might be a bird's nest, a rat's nest, or some hobo living up in there. Ain't paying no rent. But anyway, let's clean it out good. Clean it out good. See, when I first took it out, it was all kinds of leaves and crap up in there. So, all kinds of mess. Acorns, like some squirrels been up in there. And installation is basically just the opposite of removal. Just gonna put them 3 screws back in there. And put your 3 fasteners back in. Oh yeah. Start that one off, and let's start this one off. I'm gonna just get them in and kind of get them started a little bit. Yeah. All right, now I'm gonna just follow it up with the ratchet. These don't have to be like super tight, just until you feel a little resistance. I think the specs, torque specs on these are like something like 8 foot-pounds or something like that. No more than 14 foot-pounds, probably like 8 to 14. Right. See how this thing work now. Turn the key on. 2. All right, let's turn this baby on. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Well, there you have it. Well, that's how you do the blower motor in a 2001 Chevy Cavalier, and oh goodness, I hope that was helpful. But anyways, let me get back in the house. It's cold out here. But that's how you do a blower motor on a 2001 Chevy Cavalier, 2.2 liter engine. And like I said, check the fuse in the relay first. Relays under the hood on the driver's side, and in the fuse box, and the other fuse box is on the driver's side, right on the side of the dash. Now if you have any, that's just for the blower motor. Say you turn on and there's nothing happens. That would be the kind of like the route of diagnosis I would go through. Next thing, once you take that blower motor out, just to be sure, you can put a test light on it. Just find your good ground with the negative lead on the test light. Put the needle point, the positive end, onto the electrical terminals, the connector. Turn on your blower motor or have it on already, and when you touch it, then the test light should come on. Just make sure you got power coming out of there. So that'd probably be the step in between that I didn't include. I already knew that I knew it was getting power because I could see the blower motor coming on, so I knew that wasn't an issue. But that's just another step as far as diagnostics and stuff that you might want to take. Well, I hope that video was helpful, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and just stay tuned. I'll have more helpful videos for you. All right, thanks a lot. Thanks for watching.